Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kay and today's video is my unboxing of Glossybox. So if you already know what Glossybox is, I'm going to leave a timestamp in the comments down below so that you can just skip ahead to the items in the box. But if you don't know what Glossybox is, it is a monthly beauty subscription service. It costs £10 a month plus £3.95 postage and packaging, but you can take out a longer subscription term and that can actually reduce the cost of your box. So for example, I've taken out a 12-month subscription and my boxes cost me £8.50 a month plus the £3.95 postage and packaging. What I'll do is I'm going to leave all the information in the description box down below so you can check out all the different contract lengths and things like that, and you can check that out at your own leisure. So generally speaking, you get 5 items in each box. They can range from full-size products to deluxe minis. You never really get any tiny little samples, and if you do, you generally find that it's not included in the value of the box. So for me, Glossybox is one of my favourite subscription boxes, or has been up to yet anyway. Obviously I've not opened this one yet, so that could all change, but for the most part I've been quite happy with the boxes that I've had, and I think I've been having them since about April or May last year, 2019, so it's been quite good. I've quite enjoyed having them. On the box we've got the word love and it's in different languages as well. Very pretty, and pink. Obviously February is the month of Valentine's Day, so the month of love, and we've also got little love hearts on the inside of the box mixed in with the Glossybox logo, which is a little bit different. And that is what we look like on the inside. So we do get a little card included with every box, and that just tells us the information about the products, the retail costs, and a little bit about the item itself. So we'll be referring to this as we go through the items in the box, just so that I can let you know what's going on there. On the back of each card every month we usually get a sneak peek for something that is in next month's box. So if you don't want to know what that is, tune out now. Again, I'll leave a little timestamp in the comments down below for you, so you can skip ahead to the good stuff if you really want to. But next month's sneak peek is, so it's a mascara from Ico. So next month all eyes will be on you, as we'll provide you with the makeup and skincare you need to create eye-catching looks. First up, the Ico Black Magic Mascara. Boasting a carbon black formula and curved brush, this mascara lifts, curls and adds volume to your lashes for an intense, dramatic and long-lasting look. Sounds good. Hopefully it lives up to those claims. But yeah, that was the sneak peek, and the little thing at the beginning of the book just tells us about the edit and what the theme for the month is. And it says, February is the month of love, so we're embracing this universal language and celebrating it in all its forms with glosses around the world. Oh no. There's then the words I love you translated into 3 different languages. I am not going to butcher them. The only one I can do any vague justice to is the French one, which is Je t'aime, and then I think there's probably a German one, and I don't know what the other one is. I'm just going to show you what it says, I think, here. Love really does cross borders. So yeah, so this is the Love Crosses Borders edit. To share all that love with you, we've carefully selected a range of products from some of our favourite brands across the globe. Use these beauty must-haves together and you'll have dewy skin, a kissable pout and gorgeous eye makeup. Better yet, we've hidden 10 golden tickets inside our boxes. Find one and you'll be the winner of the brand new Silk Appeal 9 Flex by Braun. Good luck. Ooh, so there might be a golden ticket in here. Let's see. I've opened it up and it doesn't look like I have a golden ticket, which makes me a bit sad. But anyway, I was going to say you can't win them all, but I historically don't win any, so it is what it is. I'm not not bitter. But the first thing I'm going to pull out is the sneak peek from last month's card, and it is from Figs and Rouge. Come on. There we go. Just turn it that way, you can see it better. And it is the Wonder Love Charm, and it's a glow elixir. So I do have a Figs and Rouge product similar to this. It's the Morning Glow Drops. I really like it. So I just mix it in with my moisturiser, and it just gives your skin a nice healthy glow without being too glittery. So I'm really hoping that this is similar, and that's what it looks like in the bottle. So it's just got a little dropper, and that's what that looks like there. A little glass dropper here, and I'm just gonna pop a little bit onto my hand and see what it does. Now with the Morning Glow Drops that I already use, you don't need a lot. A little goes a very, very long way. But ooh, that looks very shiny and glowy. But is it glittery? That's the test. Don't like big chunks of glitter all over my face, but that actually doesn't look too bad. I don't know if showing you close up you'll be able to see anything, but no, that looks like it's going to be quite nice. Does it smell of anything, or am I imagining that? It does have a light fragrance to it, or at least I feel like it does. So yeah, I thought so. So there is actually rose flower water in here, so if you're not a fan of rose scents, you're not going to like this. I actually quite like a rose scent, so that's actually really nice. I wouldn't have said it was overpowering. It's quite delicate, but it is there. So let's just see what the card says. So the RRP on this is £35, and it says, love begins right here in the UK, so we're introducing you to a newly launched elixir from British brand Figs and Rouge, formulated with hydrating hyaluronic acid and vitamins A, C and E, as well as minerals, rose water and rose quartz. It moisturises your skin and enhances its radiance. Massage 3 to 6 drops directly into your cleansed skin for a revitalised glow. So yeah, that's really cool. I'm really excited to try that. I quite, like I said, I really like the other product that I've got from Figs and Rouge, so I was keen to try this anyway. I like that it's got hyaluronic acid in. It's a product that I get on quite well with. As I said, I quite like the rose fragrance, so that's cool too. And apparently it's newly launched, so it's a new product on the market as well. So that's really quite nice actually. Really pleased with that. Good start. Next we've got something from a brand called Floss. Never heard of this brand, and it says that it's a lip gloss, which wasn't what I was expecting when I first saw the word floss. But it says it's my new favourite lip gloss. Does it have a shade anywhere? Well, it says on the end there is ATH. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. So that's what the inner packaging looks like. That looks really pink. I really hope it doesn't look quite that pink for a gloss. But let's just open it up. My wrist is killing me. Oh, that was not what I was expecting. So I was expecting it to be sort of a thing that you applied straight from the tube, but actually no, there is a doe foot applicator. So that is what that looks like. So I actually think I prefer that, so that's good. So let's just have a, oh, that is very pink. That is very pink, but I don't know that I hate it. I actually think I might be able to get on with that. It's a gloss, so in theory it's going to sheer out, and obviously that's a swatch on my hand. That's not how it's going to look on my lips. Can't try it out right now because I do actually have lip products on already. But now that it's there, I actually don't hate that. That might be alright. I'll have to give it a go and see, but first impressions, in the tube a bit worrying, on my hand not so much, so we'll give it a go and we'll see what the little card says as well. So the RRP on this is £12.30. This American beauty brand is helping you to show your pout some love this February. Boasting a smooth, hydrating and long-lasting formula, their lip gloss is sure to become your new favourite. Use it alone for a delicate tint of colour and semi-sheer finish, or wear it over a similar shade of lipstick to add shine. So yeah, as I said, I'm quite interested in trying that. So yeah, quite happy with both of the products we've had so far. Let's see what else we've got. Next we've got something from Star Skin, and it is the Dream Kiss Plumping and Hydrating Biocellulose Lip Mask. That's interesting because I've been really slow at opening boxes this month, and I've literally just opened my Look Fantastic box and there was a lip mask in that as well. But yeah, happy to try it. I like a lip mask. I've tried a few over the last few months and I've quite enjoyed using them. I like the moisturising effect that they have on my lips. You could probably get it from just using a normal serum, but I quite like having that relaxation sort of time with a mask on. So let's see what the card says. It says this is a deluxe mini. It says this is a deluxe mini worth £4.25, and that a full size, the RRP, would be £8.50. How do you get a mini size lip mask? I'm not quite sure how that works. I'll have to investigate that and see what that actually means, because it's a lip mask, how can it be mini? Marrying Swiss and Korean beauty expertise, this plumping and hydrating lip mask is the secret to a soft and smooth pout. Not only does it boast biocellulose sheet mask technology, which makes it fit perfectly onto your lips, but it is infused with deeply nourishing coconut juice. Apply it onto your lips for 15 minutes, peel off, then massage in any excess serum. It sounds like it works like every other lip mask, so happy to give it a go, but I'll just leave a note on the screen somewhere if I find out what's going on about that whole deluxe mini size, because that kind of confuses me. Maybe it's just me. Next we've got a brush. So let's take it out of its packet. It says Glossybox on it, so this is probably something that has been made for Glossybox, and it's just a slanted brush. So shapes like this are usually eyebrow or eyeliner brushes, but that looks really thick on the end. I don't know if you can see that, but not like horrendous, but I wouldn't be using that for a liner, that's for sure. Let's see what the card says. Okay, so the card says that this is a lip brush. It's a bit of an odd shape for a lip brush for me. The RRP is £5.10, and it says, to give you a taste of glossy love, we're treating you to our favourite lip brush. Boasting a gorgeous glossy pink handle as well as soft and densely packed bristles, it will help you to flawlessly apply your lipstick. Sweep it over your lippy to collect the creamy formula, then use the flat tip to line your lips before using the thick side to fill in your pout. Don't really need it. Probably not as excited by this as I am by the other products that we've had so far, but it could be useful. The last product we've got is from a brand called St. Luxe. I've never heard of this brand before, but it says it's a lip liner duo. Okay, doesn't say anything about shades, does it? Oh yeah, so it looks like we've got two shades. It says Crush and Cupid. So I've already seen a little picture in the booklet, so I'm guessing that there's two pencils in here. and yes there are. So that is the shades on the end there. There you go. And just little, they look like they're going to be sharpenable pencils. They are thoroughly encased in plastic, so just give them a minute to get into these, and then we'll swatch them. Okay, so I couldn't get them completely out of their plastic, but I have managed to make it so that I can at least take the lids on and off. So it is what it is, but that's really annoying when they put the plastic on things that tightly. So we've got obviously the two shades. So the lighter shade is called Cupid, and that looks like that on the pencil, and like that on the hand. It does look like it's quite dry though, so I'm not sure I'm going to enjoy that formula, but I'll definitely give it a try. And we'll just have a look at the colour of this one. So this one is in the shade Crush, and oh, that one's going on a lot more easily, and that one is definitely a bit more vibrant. I'll give them a go. I'm always keen to try lip liners. I'm always looking for that sort of next holy grail formula kind of thing, but they do look really dry on the skin, so I'm a bit worried about how they're going to look on the lips. Actually looking at them, this Cupid shade, the lighter shade, actually looks like it might pair really well with the gloss, so quite keen to give that a go actually. So that is all of the items in the box. We'll just do a quick recap. So we've got the Figs and Rouge drops, we've got the Floss gloss, we've got the Star Skin lip mask, we've got the lip brush, and we've got the two St. Lux lip pencils. So all in all, I don't hate this box. It is very lip product heavy though, so might not be for everybody. Definitely the thing I'm most excited about is the non-lip product, the Figs and Rouge Elixir. I'm really excited about that one. The gloss, I'm actually keen to give that a go. Now I'm looking at it a bit more closely, and I think paired with the one lip pencil, I think that's going to look really pretty. I'm just hoping that the formula of the lip pencils doesn't look quite as dry as it does on my hand here, but if it's under a lip gloss it might not matter so much, so it's not like that never happens. But that's those, and I think the things I'm probably least excited about, lip mask, I wouldn't say that I'm not keen to try it. I am, but I've literally just unboxed another one, so it's a bit like, okay, how many lip masks can I use this month? But definitely this is a bit not really that fussed about the brush at all, which is unusual for me because I'm a bit of a makeup brush fan, but I'll try it and see what I think. But first impressions, it's just not a brush that I would use very often, if at all. So hey ho, it's a subscription box, you can't pick what you're getting. It's essentially a mystery box, which I actually really enjoy, but obviously if you're the kind of person that you don't enjoy the products sort of consistently, then this isn't going to be for you. But for me, I generally enjoy most of the products in every box, so this box is no exception to that, so it's a thumbs up from me. So that is everything then, guys. If you've got any thoughts or feelings on any of the products that have been in this month's box, drop a comment down below for me. What do you think of the box? What do you think of the products? Do you have Glossybox? If so, what did you think of this month's box? And yeah, that's it then, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all again in another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!